Hola clase, hoy es miércoles el 13 de mayo, 2020. It is Wednesday, May 13th, and we are halfway through this round of remote learning. So we have remote learning this week, remote learning next week, and then es el fin de la clase de español. Es muy triste, ¿sí? All right. So you are doing a good job with your mascotas. One thing I noticed from the assignment on Tuesday, make sure you are following directions. Some of you were not following the directions and so ended up with a little bit lower score. Also, make sure you're using the vocabulary we have learned. Some of you copy and pasted right from a translator and put your answers in. And unfortunately, there are lots of words sometimes for different words in Spanish. And so you did not maybe choose the one that we're working on. And so I did not give you credit because I had intentionally taught the 10 vocabulary terms I wanted you to work with and know. And some of you looked those up and got a different one, which is technically not an incorrect answer, but it's not the vocabulary we're working on. So I'm not going to give you credit for that. So make sure you're using the vocabulary that we are working on. All right, let's see what we have for today. So we're going to go over to the calendar and we will click here to get our lesson. Make sure you're watching lessons. So this just is the information. Remember, if you have missing assignments, that can be from any of the remote learning sessions. You have until Friday, May 22nd at 11:59 to get those submitted and still get some credit. So make sure you're looking in PowerSchool. And if you find zeros or missing, then get those taken care of. If you need my help, make sure you send me an email or a message through Canvas. All right, so today our focus is still on las mascotas, but we're going to do an activity called Tell Me. And so when we click on this, it's going to take us out to a YouTube video, that just wants to keep playing. And so what's going to happen in this video, I will show you an image of a mascota, and I want you to say what you think it is called in Spanish. And so I know I won't be able to hear you, but it's good practice, and you should still be practicing your español. ¿Sí? So make sure that you are saying those. And if you need to have notes or previous lesson video open to help you get those, that's okay. All right, because I'm not going to hear you, but I do want you to practice. All right, so once you're done practicing, then you are going to go to your assignment, and that's going to be locked since we're in student view. So let's see what we've got. So you're going to practice the Las Mascotas set in Quizlet, and then you're going to take a test in Quizlet over that set. So you're going to click here, and then click here. It's going to take you out to this set. And so in Quizlet, you can do a lot of different things. What I want you making sure you do is do a test, and then you will just complete this test. Once you get done and you hit check your answers, then you'll be given a percentage for what you got on the test. So like this one says el perro, so I would type dog. And this one says el pez de colores, and I will type goldfish. Now, if you misspell these words, it is going to count it wrong. So do your best to spell them correctly. Here I have la araña, and there's spider. For bird, I would choose pájaro. For lizard, I would choose lagarto, just in case it doesn't like it. And for conejo and rabbit. Okay, and then multiple choice, el hamster, la tortuga, turtle. True or false? La serpiente is turtle. Falso. El gato is cat. True. So I will check my answers, and right over here it tells me I got 100%. And so then what you need to do, is you need to go back to this page, and then you will type in las mascotas equals and then whatever your percentage is. All right, so yours is going to look different because I'm in teacher view right now, so you'll have a submit assignment button here, and when you click that, you can type in las mascotas equals and then whatever your percentage is. So that'll give you a good idea of how you're doing with that vocabulary. If you have any questions or need any help, make sure that you send me an email or a message through Canvas. Adios, mis estudiantes.